Okay, guys, so let's get started.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
AGP 10.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Okay. See, today's session is not about any course or any particular thing. This is meant for your future and to make choices. How to deal with your career and what are the options you should take and how to be cautious when you are learning. We will be discussing different topics, but not about specific thing today. Because see, once you have you every day, most of the students will be getting cheated or will be having setbacks to get a job. Regarding that, we will be discussing today. See, the main things what we discuss in AGP 10 avenue in the sense a path or a road. Okay, these are the avenues: education, outreach, partnerships, advocacy, employment, and research. These are the main points which will be covered into these things. Okay, see what education. These are the points. Okay, in the avenue we have education. See, we provide a high quality of online education, online courses or offline. Different streams like coding, cybersecurity, data-driven things, BI, business intelligence, networking, cybersecurity, online marketing, and data visualization. And outreach, reaching out interested candidates who are interested in these avenues, who especially wishes their career to be in a right path to get a job in the IT field. See, we collaborate with organizations for resources and supporting purposes. See, ultimate thing is you should be. We want, in the context, we want you to be in a right path to get a IT career, whatever you dream for. Okay. See, there will be a gap between the industry and training colleges or institutions, and we came here to bridge the gap between the industry and to guide you in a perfect way where industrial requirements match your technical skills ability or technical skills. Okay, and by providing the right skills, what the industrial requirements and the standards, right standards, what the industrial standards are, we make you fit for employment. Okay, and we do different types of researches based on industry trends and technological drifts, and like what are the technology which can withstand.
Okay, guys, so let's get started.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
AGP 10.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Okay. See, today's session is not about any course or any particular thing. This is meant for your future and to make choices. How to deal with your career and what are the options you should take and how to be cautious when you are learning. We will be discussing different topics, but not about specific thing today. Because see, once you have every day, most of the students will be getting cheated or will be having setbacks to get a job. Regarding that, we will be discussing today. See, the main things what we discuss in AGP 10 avenue in the sense a path or a road. Okay, these are the avenues: education, outreach, partnerships, advocacy, employment, and research. These are the main points which will be covered into these things. Okay, see what education. These are the points. Okay, in the avenue we have education. See, we provide a high quality of online education, online courses or offline. Different streams like coding, cybersecurity, data-driven things, BI, business intelligence, networking, cybersecurity, online marketing, and data visualization. And outreach, reaching out interested candidates who are interested in these avenues, who especially wishes their career to be in a right path to get a job in the IT field. See, we collaborate with organizations for resources and supporting purposes. See, ultimate thing is you should be, we want, in the context, we want you to be in a right path to get a IT career, whatever you dream for. Okay. See, there will be a gap between the industry and training colleges or institutions. And we came here to bridge the gap between the industry and to guide you in a perfect way where industrial requirements match your technical skills, ability, or technical skills. Okay. And by providing the right skills, what the industrial requirements and the standards, right standards, what the industrial standards are, we make you fit for employment. Okay. And we do different types of researches based on industry trends and technological drifts, and like what are the technology which can withstand for a 5 years or 10 years down the line to make a better career. Okay. Of these things, we had come with some few policies, like a few things which will be sustaining the industry. See, many will be saying that, see, let me give an example. During till thousands of years, millions, even we can say as millions of years, till this 18th century, when this mechanization came into mechanical industry came into being, there was only one industry that can be said as an agricultural industry. Only agriculture used to be as a major livelihood. After mechanization happened in the early 18th centuries and 19th centuries, that drift of the industry, where people saw generating revenue was from these mechanical industries. Like different companies came which produces production of different things. Okay, once this mechanization started, there was a drift towards the mechanization. And after this, in recent 40 years, from the recent 30 to 40 years, to be more specifically from 1990 or 1980s, whatever the nation opted for a technological shifting, that nation took an edge or got the advantage of the remaining nations on the earth. Okay, see, a few nations like US, those took an advantage of this technological IT, to be more specific, to IT in the sense electronics or this one. When whoever came first to grab the opportunity in the IT, they started leading the world. And we came late into this IT industry, but we are good. We are better than many other companies, many other nations, whatever came into this IT earlier. We are sustaining. See, many will be saying that IT software field won't be existing after 10 years or 15 years. See, the phase now we are majority will be saying AI will be replacing. See, AI is not going to replace. It's the truth. It's a hardcore truth where you people can't understand. Let me give an example. See, AI is acting one way, but the technology which can there will be a need for technological even drift. Even the AI has to be has to be even that will be becoming an something older thing after 10 or 15 years, there will be a new technologies which will be emerging thereafter. It's not like AI is the stuff for every IT industry. After this AI also, there will be a drift for new technology based on requirements which will be as challenges which will be even not solvable by the AI. Ultimately, there will be something. Ultimately, IT jobs will prevail. This is the baseline. See, AI is not the end. It's for sure. See, at Adiguri, we are committed to provide high quality training, which leads for our students. Okay. We upgrade our courses, our content of education, whatever we train regularly. We update ourselves so that we will be aligned with these industrial requirements. This makes us as a best practitioner to unlock or give students a best technological understanding where they can get their job opportunities and pursue their IT career. This is what we have. And we have identified 10 avenues here, as I said to you in earlier slide. See, we master and we certify. See, this is an Adiguru Prodigy's expert course. First, we master these technologies, and we, being in the industry, most of the not most, all the trainers here in the Adiguru Prodigy are from industry, right? Because of this reason, you will be getting hands-on projects, and we facilitate you, or we give you the vision or knowledge to get you certified international to attend for international certifications. This is how you excel with our Adiguru Prodigy. And we prepare you for interviews like question and answers preparation, and how you should interact, and many things how an interviews will be depending upon the technology you will be learning with Adiguru Prodigy. We conduct mock interviews to build your confidence, and we act as a career catalyst between the job preparation and work by preparing you for jobs and conducting workshops. This makes us as a catalyst. Okay. And we elevate our teams, elevate your team for corporate trainings also. We facilitate corporate trainings also by companies, professionals training with Adiguru Prodigy. You will be into this corporate exposure also. See, by all this above, you will be having additional things like motivational and body language, and even we discussed with the soft skills also, time management. There are many other things which play a major role in getting a job. And we try to identify your potential, what is your positive aspects, and how you can deal better to get a job. See, everyone has an unique signature. That signature will be unique for each and every person. We try to identify those things so that you will be unique in getting the job. And we even build your profile building, which makes you makes your branding, your in the sense personal branding, like branding yourself into the IT industry. And by making these interviews, we master all this about 10 avenues. See, our aim at Adiguru Prodigy is giving a complete knowledge, most in the sense we're trying to deal with each and every concept into the depths by industry recognitions. And see, to secure a front-end jobs, say front-end in the sense, we won't be encouraging for back doors and all those things, because see, once a perfect expert trainer is training you, then you will be in a position to get a job in a proper front end way, like going directly for interviews and attending interviews. This is the how we encourage. See, once we lay a path, and we should be confident enough to say that you can go by the front end itself. There is no need for back end. That is the standards we train in. See, gaining complete course and project knowledge, because we even push you into real-time projects and check your caliber, and we even correct you if needed. We support you wherever you require in developing the projects. It's like a complete vision from end to end, one end to other end, like what the company needs. See, into this Adiguru Prodigy, we deal with coding technologies and data technologies and cybersecurity and online marketing.
Rajesh sir, 1 second.
Yeah.
Before going to next topic, are they aware of this? Are they understanding what we are saying? Please check with them.
Yeah. Guys, are you understanding?
అమ్మ మీకు తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే తెలుగులో చెప్తాము, తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే తెలుగులో చెప్తాము స్టూడెంట్స్ కి. లేదు, we can
Hindi people are also there, Kannada people are also
following
there.
what sir saying, we can explain in Telugu.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Understandable, sir.
Yes, understanding, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Different
Good.
students also there, no,
See,
sir.
wherever you are
Whoever is not in a position to understand, please raise your hand.
yeah, wherever you cannot understand, raise your hands. We can explain it once again, because this is a career guidance, your life path actually. What do you have to say, take it in the life. For that reason, you are connecting this program. It's very important thing. If people not understanding, please raise your hands. We'll stop it and we'll explain it once again.
Two of them
Okay.
has raised their hands, sir.
Yeah, just raise their hands. We'll stop it and we'll explain the topic once again. You people have to understand first. Okay, continue, sir. Please, Raj, sir.
Sir, if you don't mind, I want to convey one thing.
Yeah.
Just sir, if Shami ask some question middle of after only they order too active.
Yeah, we'll give the questionnaires for all the people. No, don't worry.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
We'll give the questionnaires. We'll explain that each whatever you have the doubts, please note down it or whatever, or notepad or chat box, etc. You mentioned there. We'll answer.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, you can even post in the message window. Okay.
Yeah, like
Sure, sir. Sure,
chatting
sir.
I'm mentioning.
Okay.
No, you can.
Let me continue. Supriya, what's your doubt? Suprita.
Sir, each topic is very important, sir. Once complete the topic, you can ask them. If it doesn't have any doubts, you can continue
Suprita?
on the topics.
So nothing, we just have to, like we can understand Hindi or English. Either they can say it in English, Hindi or English, so that we'll be able to understand it clearly.
Yeah, I am explaining in English, right?
Some people
Okay,
from
okay.
Tamil Nadu also is there. Some
No,
people from
Tamil and
also
Telugu
is
will
there.
not be able to understand, that's why.
Yeah, I
Okay,
can
okay.
understand Tamil also. That's not an issue. I can speak Tamil also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
I don't know Hindi, ma'am.
So, but I,
Pardon?
Suprita, some people from
Oh,
Tamil Nadu also,
okay.
they joined here. We explain in English, I not understanding. Please let me know.
Sure,
See,
sure.
it's
Sure.
not like one session for all.
No, either
class on,
Hindi
sir.
or English, with I think all of them can understand, that's why I'm saying.
They speak English
No
only,
problem.
ma'am.
No
They speak
problem.
English
See,
only,
if
ma'am.
you want a separate session for Hindi, separate session for Tamil also, I can conduct. That's not an issue. You can go regional languages, even the Punjabi also. That's not an issue.
Yeah, please
We
continue,
will
sir.
see, please intimate in the chat window
Please
so that we
continue
can.
in English, sir. Everyone can
Sure,
understand.
sir. Sure, sir. Sure,
Yeah.
sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. See, into the coding, you will be.
Only request from us, till end of the session, please be patient and listen everything. You come to know what exactly happening in IT industries in India. Each and everything you can get the knowledge, complete knowledge, get it from this campaign. So don't skip and don't left from the meetings. Please listen each and everything. If you not understand, please ask us.
Okay, sir.
It's for your career.
Okay. See, starting
Okay,
with 8 avenues, AGP courses and AGP areas of proficiency. This will be one. First will be coding, and next will be data-driven. data related things. And third is the cybersecurity. And after that, online marketing, in the sense digital marketing. And next comes this networking things, and business intelligence, BI, Power BI, and related things, and data visualization in the sense ClickView, ClickSense, Tableau, all those things, and cloud and DevOps. These will be cloud-based technologies like Azure, AWS, and remaining things. These are the areas where we expertise and we
Purpose
operate.
also explain, sir. Sir, 8 ways why you are showing purpose also. Please explain to the students. You can understand that.
Yeah.
See,
See,
some
these are the eight areas where
people are
IT, most of the IT jobs are.
Yeah.
Most of the IT jobs lie in these 8 areas only. Okay. Let's go for the AGP coding. Into this coding, we train for Python full stack along with the Python Django, and we train for Java full stack along with Spring and Hibernate, and we train for Go language and .NET also. See, along with this, there are few more technologies, R and few more Scala, and there are many more technologies which we will be dealing in. That will be based on the requirement. Like it. See, these coding languages, this will be the backbone of IT industry. See, whatever the software you want to develop, or websites or applications you want to develop, this will be the technologies. Most of the time, industry professionals will be opting for. See, India as a major shareholder of the IT industry, these are the technologies which are ruling in the IT industry, like Go language or Python or Scala or R language or Java full stack. These are the technologies along with the .NET, and a little bit section of PHP is also there because it's like an older thing. See, AGP coding benefits. Why? See, as an entry-level developer, junior developer, this is from different search engines. What I got the data is from different search engines like Google search engine, MSN search engine, and Yahoo search engine. Different search engines, we gathered a few data which are realistic. If you are good in coding, in the sense whatever the language you choose, whether Python or Java or whatever it might be, if you are good, you will be earning from 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs in the range of 3 to 6 lakhs. This can vary based on the efficiency of or the company you choose. Okay. These coding skills will be transferable across different industries and different applications. These are high demand courses, whatever we went through, these are available in the industry as of now. To be more specific, these are ruling IT industry. And as a junior level, you will be getting around 3 to 6 lakhs. As a senior level, 8 to 15 lakhs. And as an experienced architect or project manager, those levels, you will be getting a minimum of 15 to 30 lakhs. This will be the range. This can vary. See, entry level 0 to 2 years. I am taking an example based on SQL only. See, based on SQL, you will be like minimum administration support. Support will be the role given to you, database support. Or if it is in Java, you will be a trainee developer or an interim developer, like that. You will be placed. After they feel that you are good, they will be pushing you to a junior developer. This is how you enter into the 0 or entry level. And after that, intermediate level, and the next 5+, it will be going to a little bit professional. Then into this professional, you will be pursuing like a senior roles, like architectural designing things and optimization. And you will be supporting the juniors, mentoring the juniors, professionals who are in this entry levels. This will be the role of professionals. 5+. See, you will be see this statistical survey for 23 and 24 academic year on coding base. So demand for coding with the different skills. Here are different technologies based upon the demands, and languages. Skills are different and languages are different. Languages in the sense, these are the different languages. Highest will be the JavaScript, and next comes this Python, and next comes this Java. And nowadays, a few technologies emerging, like R language, Go language. These are very fastly drifting towards the top levels. But it is sure that Python, Java, and JavaScript, all these things will sustain for a decade more in the highest positions. And even the salaries also, this will be a very based upon different spectrums. Salaries also are in a higher rate of growth. See, in Indian rupees, US billion dollars in India, IT is earning around $20 billion. This is an academic year. Earlier year, it used to be around $6.95 billion before or during the COVID. See, by this year, we are seeing a hike in the IT industry, that too specifically in India, around two-thirds growing from 6% or 7% to 19% or 20%. Okay, triple growth. Into the data, there are two main sections, SQL and NoSQL. Into this SQL comes this MySQL, Oracle, all those things, and into this NoSQL comes the MongoDB. MongoDB. See, nowadays, NoSQL is becoming more popular, but it can't replace this MySQL or Oracle or SQL-based databases. Because structured things, whenever you have whenever you see come with any secure data or these things where your data is taken as more important, most of the time you go for structured query, SQL. And at times when SQL can't support, like lat longs, where a bus goes from a point A to point B, all those lat longs should be taken as an into the table. Then we won't be in a position to where how many points are there and what are the lat longs. And see, bus A will be having 20 points or 20 stops, and bus route B will be having 30 route points. In those scenarios, we will be going for MongoDB. These are the two things which are ruling in the IT for a database, whether it is a SQL and NoSQL. And into this database, majority of the IT industry in data science, it is around 30%, it seems. It is holding a market of 30%, come from based on the complete IT industry. Down that line, we will be coming what is the percentage and all these things. See, data is the most important thing, whether you are a web developer or whether you store the data, whatever the operation in the IT or whatever the platform you are using, or whatever the internet or whatever the device you are using, day-to-day life, data is the most valuable thing, where companies where nowadays are more concerned about the data. In early 90s or 2000s, the scenario used to be, there used to be very less amount of data available in the public domain, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, all those things, share chat, or all those things. Because of that less availability, AI was not that much effective in those days, because AI had a limited set of data where it has to operate, or where it can go through and check for the errors and learn from. But now, by these social media platforms, AI is growing drastically because of this availability of data in the public domain. It learns from different data available in the public domain. It corrects itself and it takes decision. For whatever the operation the AI has to, or the industry depends on some basic thing, the data. Okay, because of this reason, data is the base for this technological IT industry. And this won't be a data entry level. It won't be an administrator. It will be like a database support engineer. It will be a database support, not an administrator. But though you are acting as an administrator, because you facilitate for the coders, if they, I assume that in an industry, in a company, there are around 20 projects running. For the 20 projects, you will be needing developers, around 100 developers, for 100, 200 developers, for each project 10 developers. But for each project 10 developers, in the sense 200 developers. But for managing the data, it can be less than one or two database engineers who will be operating on this database to save the data, or to retrieve the data, or to organize the data, or to provide you accesses of different levels in this data. And these database engineers are now, as an entry level, it will be from 4 to 8 lakhs and 8 to 15 lakhs for the senior. And for software engineer, or for the senior developers or TLs, it will be going from 15 to 25 lakhs. Okay, this is the projection based upon the IT database usages. Different databases and different usages. It is like an demand in India is this graph shows you in rising demand, which is in 90 sorry, it's in 45-degree development, not in 90. It is in 45-degree. Means absolutely it is developing in a very steep line, and the average salary is also growing along with the growth in the IT industry in India, to be more specific. And major companies which are more concentrating on the data, like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, HCL, Accenture, Capgemini, because these people deal with the different types of data. Even the Facebook, Flipkart, Amazon, all this depend mostly on the data. And coming for the cybersecurity, we have different levels of trainings, basing from the basics to expert levels, analyst levels, to be more specific, analyst levels. Cybersecurity fundamentals we will be covering, and for the next level, CEH, and for this next level, we will be going with the CISSP, Certified Information Systems and Security Professional. And after that, we will be going for Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. After that, analyst levels. It will be taking around 1.5 to 2 years for complete training. But for this training also, you will be needing around 8 to 9 months minimum, I think, in my knowledge. But you will be needing real-time exposure to the real-world security things. It can be specific to the network security, or cloud security, or application security, or designing security aspects, like Java security expert. It depends the area of security you are implementing or operating on. And this is one of the most future this will be the best thing, cybersecurity thing, where future will be very secure. But getting entry into the security field is the most important thing, where we have to look in. See, as a security analyst, junior analyst, you will be earning around 3 to 6 lakhs, and it goes beyond. See, highest experience level, it can go around 50 lakhs or even 1 CR or 2 CR. Based upon the security, if you are going for a banking security, your salary will be even higher. I can confidently say. This is the best salary what an security analyst expects. And this is the growth in demand for different security skills. It is also in the 45-degree improvement. And Indian demand is also rising day by day. And the industry expectations are also rising day by day. Job creation needs. Once vulnerability starts automatically, security has to be taken care. And salary also, it has some very steep inclination. Online marketing. See, earlier days we used to use mic sets and stage dramas and many other means to communicate one to one another. Now, because of this social media, we are now in a position like online. We can do online marketing. It will be, you can go for a specific area marketing. If you want to, so for example, take an MLA or an college. So if your college is in Andhra or India, you can target audience in India. If your college is in Andhra, you can target Andhra specific to that Andhra region. Based upon your needs, you can segregate where your marketing should be happening. And this is provided by most of the search engine or most of the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, ShareChat, and many other things which are in the social media. And we deal with digital marketing fundamentals to search engine optimization and social media marketing and search engine marketing, the SEM. All these things come into this social media thing. And to be frank, this is the social media which is connecting you and me now in this meeting, right? Because we sent you a link and we came to connect with you people because of this social media, right? This is how and important this social media marketing is. Though it is not visible directly, it is playing in the background very strongly, trying to identify each and everyone's requirement. Most of the people will be saying that Google is listening over whatever we discuss. Yeah, it listens because we permitted it to listen. But it listens and pops you its marketing things. Whatever you need, whatever you discuss, it will be popping the appropriate thing in the screen, on your screen. That's what this social media is about. And even the salaries of social media marketing and digital marketing specialists, they are started as from 3 to 6 lakhs. And digital marketing manager level, it's from 8 to 15 lakhs. And senior level marketing heads will 15 to 30 lakhs. Down the line, this is also in high demand. See, even this same projections, industrial growth is even drastically increasing. There are many other things like eBay, Myntra, Azure, Flipkart, Amazon. Many other companies are playing in this digital marketing also, MNCs, where you can get yourself placed here. And into this networking, wherever you find a digital device, ultimately this network there should be a network. Whenever you say that there is a network, there should be a need for networking engineer. Means we train specially for CCNA, CCNP, CompTIA A+, N+, and internet networking certified internet associate, and all those things. Apart from this, we even into this networking, we will be even looking into different protocols of whether it is an ID algorithm, SHA algorithm, whatever the algorithm it will be. We will be looking in how to provide and how to keep our network safe and how to make tunnels, what VPNs in the sense. We'll be discussing about all those things in the networking, along with the IIS servers, DNS servers, DHCP servers, and different ADS servers, additional servers, all those things. And the salaries of this networking also, it's a very good thing. Going for the next one. Projection, see, growth in IT industry. See, because we see, because of this cloud thing, on-site servers or on-site equipment is drifting to the clouds. But ultimately, every company will be in need of a security network analyst, a network architect, or networking people. Okay, networking is needed everywhere. And how this is business intelligence. Into this business intelligence, we discussed with Power BI and including introductory course with the basics of BI, including data warehousing, extracting ETL thing, extract, transform, and load. This is the basic thing which you might be coming in your bachelor degrees. What is an ETL? And going for the next thing, business intelligence, Power BI, and business intelligence certification also. We deal this deals about how data analysis should be done and data reporting should be done. This is business intelligence deals data analyzing, data reporting, and empowering and organizing data. And this empowers businesses and organizations to make wise decisions, to identify where a business can be made and where a product can be pitched and what is the time to pitch a product and how to catch a bigger market. Those things are discussed in this business intelligence. These are the normal salaries of an Power BI thing. 4 to 8 lakhs, 8 to 15 lakhs, and 15 to 30 lakhs. And demand in India, this is drastically growing. Because ultimately, wherever the population is growing, demand will also be growing. That's for sure. This won't be the scenario with the remaining countries. India has this advantage. Till now, we used to think India has highest population. This will be a setback. But now the world has drifted to see India as an hub for generating money. Because we have more population, more market, and more money transfer, exchanging. When the people are more, ultimately the business will be more. This is the baseline. This is the biggest asset of our India. We, the people, are the biggest asset of our India. Earlier, we used to see that US is a major thing and Europe is major. But by this current government, identified the potential of India, that people are the potential of India. See, if a person has a product like a car, how many cars can Elon Musk sell in US? It can't be more than what the population of the US, right? But when he compares with Indian population, India population is far more greater than even many times greater than US, right? This is the market he can generate. If he can sell 100 cars in US, he can sell around 1,000 cars or 10,000 cars or 1 lakh cars in India. That's the range of market. More people, more market. And more intelligence should be needed where the people are more. And into the data visualization, Tableau, ClickView, ClickSense, and these things will be coming in, data visualization things. Even the Power BI also facilitates along by showing you graphs, pie charts, line charts, whatever you have gone through in your elementary schools things like high school. From 6th to you will be going for line chart, pie chart, bar chart, all those charts. Even Power BI also facilitates that. This comes, see, this data visualization in the sense KPTs and all those things will be shown to the manager screen or an employer who makes a wise decision based upon the data you have, data visualization. You will be making your decisions. When to do and what to do, what will be the optimal or best solution. Finding an intellectual thing. This is what deals with data visualization. See, I have 1,000 user data, but what is the majority? What majority what these 1,000 users are opting for, or what these 1,000 users are using, or day to day what these people are opting or making use of? Those can be identified by using this data visualization things, like where he is spending money, where he is what is he in need of things, and whether what is the brand he is selecting for, like if you take an general washing machine, what is the brand majority of the people are opting for, and when they are buying, and from where, what area, like whether Karnataka people buy more washing machines, or Punjabis buy more washing machines, and what is the specific area where washing machines are brought more. These types of data visualization things will be there, and based upon those visualization outputs, with power decisions will be made. And the demand for this is in the same range from 4 to 8 lakhs, 8 to 15, and 15 to 30 lakhs. Starting from 0 to 2, 3 to 5, and 5+ years of expertization levels. Even 45 degrees angle, same. And cloud and DevOps. AWS certifications and Azure certifications, and cloud certifications, and cloud architect, Google Cloud. There are many clouds nowadays coming into market. We try to cover all those cloud things, DevOps and Kubernetes, RabbitIQ, many things. We will now. These are like different tools which facilitate data sustainability and data downtime, many factors. These are the cloud technologies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Many more are there in the market. We will be we have an expert level like architecture, like even Azure Databricks, or Azure included with artificial intelligence. All those things we are dealing with by industry experts, and these are normal salaries. You will be seeing an higher levels of salaries in this cloud. Demand is demand for different skills is exposed here and displaying here. Even rise in demand, very steep rise in demand. See, these are all those technologies till now you have I have discussed what are in the market. But these soft skills and the AGP unfold. These are the two things which every technology, whatever I discussed till now, are needing, or which should be accommodated along with. If you want to be a developer, you need soft skills, and you need different aspects like motivation and body language. All those things you need to be in a position. You should be good at these two things along with the options you take for your IT career. Soft skills and AGP unfold. Into these soft skills, we'll be continuously training on communication skills, leadership and management, time management and productivity increasing things, and conflict resolution and negotiations, and leadership. Different things we will be dealing into this soft skills. But this is something like this is attached to every course, whatever you opt in this IT field. You should be good in this communication, leadership management, time management, and conflict resolution, all these things. But whether you go for a cloud computing, or a data visualization engineer, or an developing engineer, data software engineer, whatever it might be, but these are the basic things. It should be accommodated with every technology you learn. You should be good in the soft skills. This will be something like a basic foundation for each and every developer, or with each and every IT professional, or each and every IT job seeker. And into this AGP unfold, this is where we professionalize, and where we take an extra care, like team building things and how to collaborate and technical skills checking and career development and personal branding, how to brand yourself and how to develop your branding in the network in the sense in the market, and presenting and public speaking capabilities. This unfolding thing we will be dealing in person, which will be which is not most of the institutes or colleges are not dealing with. AGP Unfold is our best thing, which will be adding a feather to your IT skill. These two things, soft skills and AGP Unfold, these are our specialization where you will be trained specially along with the remaining courses. Whether it you opt for coding or cybersecurity or on digital marketing or networking or BI or data visualization or cloud, whatever the option you choose from these 8 options, along with these 8 options, you should even know about the soft skills and AGP Unfold, which adds feathers for your these basic things. And we are open for questions and answers. Anyone having any doubts? Anyone having doubts?
Sir, so if you don't mind, just one time elaborate about business intelligence.
BI.
Sir, BI.
See, yeah, business intelligence. For example, if you have a business, let us assume that you have a gold shop. And regularly you are writing all the data, who are purchasing and what date he is purchasing, what is the amount of gold he is purchasing. And you noted for a couple of years. Let us assume this is